Morning, welcome to Entry Prediction. My name is Narendran. To join my WhatsApp group, I'm charging 500 rupees per month. You will get advanced prediction details as well as calls in the group. If you like my research, if you want to support my research, you can donate me using this Google Pay and Phone Pay and Paytm. Let's go to the Nifty hour. It has closed on Wednesday. Nifty ended up in the negative 15,635.35, 104.75 points, and negative 0.67% in the negative. Opened around 15,766.30, which is well above the previous closing, but it has went a little bit high from that level, which is 15,800.45. Once again, it is all-time high for this year. And then the market later, around 1 o'clock, it has started to fall down rapidly fast, and then fall down and closed our pending target, which is 15,650 and 15,670. Those two targets it has closed, and it has opened up one more new target as well. So it has fulfilled yesterday's the pending target, and we have booked some huge profits. Let's go to the group call. What are the calls we given? We given the call in the combination in the after the market opening. Pre-opening was in the volatile zone, so that we given 15,650 put option as well as 15,850 call option, and we wanted to trade as per the data, and the data is also mixed. Initially the data is also in our software, it is indicated bullish with 3 and bearish with 3, but the trend is which is still in the negative. So the zone was volatile, but the trend is still in the negative, so which means we had the downside target, pending target, which is these two targets, because normally whenever the new targets we are having, it has a potential to hit on the same day or the next day. So it opened on Tuesday, so we knew that it has a potential to hit. That is the reason we wanted to keep one particular put option as well. Later stage, it has given one more point. It given a positive side target as well, which is 15,796. Once the target is fulfilled, we asked to exit, because the target is fulfilled. We wanted to exit because of it is only near somewhere points or a difference, which is 3-point difference from that particular level. So we asked to exit from the call option as well, from around 21 rupees. And the target is also fulfilled later stage. We asked to buy one more put option, 15,750 put option for 37. It went 180 plus. So that is where our level is there. So we trailed the stop loss making, and our softwares also went pretty good profit. Today it went around 5,800 in the software as well. So each and every segment it booked a profit around 2,000. So each and every, because it is kind of a single, there are products we are having, it is single. This software which is the perfect range. So each and every level we have software. So each and every product which given a decent on this day, this is a combination. So every product given a profit as well. And our lowest side target, which is frequency, we had 0.81%. that is what initially hit, which is 15,612. So we also given the video yesterday. Whoever saw that video, they would have bought put option and made some big profit. At that point of time, around 124, it was at high 148, and later it went 180 plus as well. So whoever booked profit somewhere around even 137, they would have made profit of 7,500. And this is the new target which opened. So we are tracking this new target, 15,543 on Thursday. So this is the target which we are following as well. So these two targets which closed, 15,670 and 15,650, those two targets got closed. And let's go to the market, how it is showing. As per the data, it is showing all 4 indications on the positive. So which means if the pre-opening is in the positive, we may see some good positive run, it might go 117 points to 200 points positive side, but still we need to check out where the pre-market is going to be. If it is in the volatile zone, it might go somewhere 100 and 120 points, then once again it will fall down from that high towards to the target of 15,543. So that is where we need to check out. And there is a bearish warning signal also came, so that is you need to keep one small put option always in an hand advisable. Even the market is open, pre-market open in the positive side. For example, if the pre-market opens somewhere 30-40 points, it might open in between the wall level around R2 above, so which means 40 points above. If it is opens, then it is still in the volatile zone, so P1, so it might go up to that level, then after that it has a potential to fall down towards to negative average. This is one kind of scenario, because we have the pending target 15,543, so that particular level it has a potential to fall down. Even the market is going high 117 points. On the another scenario, if the market is not able to, if the market is opens 40 points but not able to break this volatile to 15,658 minus 10 points, 15,648.80 is not able to break, then the market is having potential to go 200 points also. So that is where we need to check out whether it is going to break or not. If it is breaking, then we have the target, downside target 15,543. So we need to watch out these levels, then only we can able to make some profits as well. Let's see how the market is going to give us on this particular day. We have a pending target downside, so you can able to make some small put option always in hand, keeping the target of 15,543. So if the market is falling down and reaching this level, you will get huge profit, but at the same time the data is very much bullish, so you need to keep both options in hand, 10 points. Otherwise you can bet 15,650 and 15,700 whenever, if it is reaching as low as possible 10 rupees, 0 call. If it is works, then the market is falling down, even 15,600 also you can bet 0 call, somewhere 3 rupees if you are getting, because we are having target of 15,543. If the market is falling heavily, then these put options will give you a huge profit. This will go to 50 points, this 15,650 go to 100 points, and 15,700 will go to 150 points. You need to buy at the lower price, because it might go zero also, because due to the F&O closing date it might go zero also, due to there are so many fake moments will happen. This particular downside target might not hit today, this 15,543 might not hit today, but still it has a potential to hit, so that is where we are taking risk. But you need to take risk at the lowest level. If it is goes to zero, you should not get hurt. That kind of a buy you need to keep. 15,650 put option somewhere around 10 means that is fine. The betting 750 rupees is fine. Even if you are losing, you can able to recover that money later stage. That is the idea. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Thursday. Thank you.